This is the oil I used. It's kind of noisy. I want to fix that, and this is what the video is about. How to make your trampoline less noisy. So I will turn it around. I got a special oil. It's from Ballistol. It's supposed to work very good for this kind of work. And I will just use a piece of wood and dip it in and put it around where the springs has a contact with the frame of and the mat of the trampoline. Let's see how this goes. So basically what I did, I took a drop of oil and oiled the contact points of the spring. One at the mat and one at the frame. Let's see if this was enough, or maybe I have to go for another round. But I hope it improved. Not sure if I'm all in the frame. It's not perfect yet. Let me show you. It's much quieter, but sometimes there are some springs that you can hear. So I decided to give it another treatment, and this time I will use a little brush and put some oil on the springs. Not too much, just a little. Just one. I have to say that this trampoline was not used for a long time, and it just was leaning around in the garage, and when we were painting the walls white, some drops of the paint dropped also on the trampoline, also on the springs. So don't do that with your trampoline. Oh, I missed one here. That's funny. So all look shiny and oily now, and let's see if it helped. Also, I guess it will need some time, some bouncing around till every part of the spring is oiled. Looks good, huh? Sounds good. Yeah, well, I guess it will take some time to get the oil everywhere. I could also, I guess I could go from this side as well and really have the whole trampoline. Or maybe I should do that. Last one. So, done. This is so good. I have some coins in my pocket, so they make a lot of noise, but this is so much quieter. It makes virtually no noise. Let me get these coins out of my pocket. So check this out. Ha! I'm loving it. Great. I hope this video helped you. Again, this is the oil I used. I got me a big bottle because I think I will use this on many things, but probably this will last forever. Yeah, it worked. Just a little bit of work to put it around and maybe give it some time, jump around a little bit, so that this, you know, it gets lubricated and your old spring loaded mini trampoline rebounder is as good as new or even better. I cannot remember how this sounded when it was new, but I know that if you want to jump on a trampoline, and it's a great exercise. I just started doing it actually. I like to do it a few minutes in the morning, midday and in the evening, and I don't know, it's a good exercise, but they can get really expensive. When I looked at the prices, what the modern trampoline costs, because this is at least 10 years old. The good thing is you can find trampoline like this on you know, on the used market for really cheap, and you know what to use to make them not squeak and to make them quiet. And there are different brands, and the new ones they have like rubber bands, but the problem with the rubber bands is that they wear out, and they will also start making noise eventually. That's what I heard, because you cannot really lubricate them. But the spring-loaded one, I think you cannot go wrong. I don't know, maybe one day I will try a trampoline with rubber bands, but for now I will keep using this because it's much cheaper than buying a new one. But if you want to buy a new one, I looked around and there is a company called Acon. They have really pretty trampolines and they look very high quality, and they are around $300 or 300 euros. It's not cheap. I found this brand Trampoline used for, you know, already starting at 20 euros. So you don't have to spend that much money. And you just get a used one, and if maybe this part is dirty or doesn't look good anymore, you can just buy a new one and replace that in your color, in your favorite color, and you got yourself a good trampoline for not much money. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.